Are you looking to strengthen your legs and improve your overall fitness? Whether you're new to exercise or have been active for years, this video will guide you through simple and effective steps for achieving greater leg power. In just 10 days, you'll experience a remarkable improvement in leg strength, balance, and mobility. Plus, we've included 5 extra tips to help you optimize your progress and overcome common challenges. So stick around till the end to find out the secrets to developing stronger and healthier legs. Guidelines for effective leg strengthening. To maximize your leg strengthening efforts and achieve optimal results, it's crucial to follow these 3 important guidelines. Guideline number 1. Prioritize proper rest and recovery. Rest and recovery are essential components of any effective leg strengthening program. It's important to avoid exercising your legs every day, as this can lead to overtraining and hinder your progress. Instead, schedule dedicated rest days in between leg workouts to allow your muscles time to repair and rebuild. During these rest days, you can focus on other areas of your body or engage in activities that promote active recovery, such as gentle stretching or low-impact exercises. Guideline number 2. Emphasize proper form and technique. Maintaining proper form and technique throughout your leg strengthening exercises is paramount. This involves paying close attention to your posture, ensuring that you engage the targeted muscles, and executing each movement with control and precision. By prioritizing proper form, you'll not only increase the effectiveness of your exercises, but also reduce the risk of strain or injury. Take the time to learn the correct form for each exercise and focus on feeling the intended muscles working throughout the movement. Guideline number 3. Incorporate gradual progression. To continually challenge your muscles and avoid plateaus, it's important to incorporate gradual progression into your leg strengthening routine. Start with exercises that challenge you at a moderate level and gradually increase the intensity or difficulty over time. This can be achieved by adding incremental weight, increasing the number of repetitions, or progressing to more advanced exercise variations. The principle of progressive overload stimulates muscle growth and strength gains, propelling your leg strengthening journey forward. However, it's crucial to progress at a pace that is sustainable for your fitness level and allows your muscles to adapt accordingly. Rushing or pushing yourself too hard can increase the risk of injury or burnout. So listen to your body and progress in a controlled and balanced manner. Exercise demonstrations. Now, let's explore 5 crucial exercises that can effectively strengthen your legs. Exercise number 1. Quad strength exercise with a ball. This exercise is great for targeting the quadriceps and the muscles at the front of your thighs, and can also improve leg stability. To perform this exercise, sit or stand with a squishy ball between your knees. Gently push your knees into the ball, engaging your quadriceps. Hold this position for a few seconds before relaxing. Repeat this exercise for several reps. You can increase the intensity by using a firmer ball or by holding it for longer periods. This exercise is beneficial for injury prevention and can provide a solid foundation for other leg exercises. Exercise number 2. Chair squats. Chair squats are an effective way to target multiple leg muscles, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. To perform this exercise, sit in a chair with your feet hip-width apart. Keeping your weight in your heels, stand up from the chair using your leg muscles. Then, lower yourself back down with control, maintaining proper form throughout the movement. Repeat this exercise for several reps. You can increase the difficulty by holding weights or by reducing the height of the chair. Chair squats are an excellent way for building leg strength, improving functional mobility, and maintaining proper balance. Now, before we proceed to the next surprising exercise, like and subscribe to NATURALdocTV to stay updated. Exercise number 3. Split squats or lunges. Split squats or lunges are great for targeting the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. providing a well-rounded lower body workout. To perform a split squat, take a large step forward or backward. Lower your body by bending your knees, and return to the starting position. Maintain an upright posture and focus on proper alignment to maximize the benefits of this exercise. Repeat this exercise for several reps, alternating between legs. You can increase the challenge by holding weights or by adding a jump to the movement. Split squats or lunges can help improve lower body strength, stability, and flexibility. Exercise number 4. Step-ups. Step-ups are a highly effective exercise that targets various leg muscles, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. To perform this exercise, find a stable, elevated surface, such as a stair or platform. Step up with one leg, drive through your heel, and bring the other leg up to meet it. Then, slowly lower yourself back down, maintaining control throughout the movement. Repeat this exercise for several reps, alternating between legs. You can increase the difficulty by holding weights or by increasing the height of the platform. Exercise number 5. Calf raises. Calf raises are an excellent exercise to target the calf muscles and improve lower leg strength. To perform this exercise, stand with your feet hip-width apart, near a wall or sturdy object for support if needed. Slowly rise up onto the balls of your feet, lifting your heels off the ground as high as possible. Hold for a second, and then lower your heels back down to the starting position. Repeat this movement for several reps. To increase the intensity, you can perform calf raises on a step or use weights. Calf raises can help improve calf muscle definition, ankle stability, and overall lower leg strength. Tips for proper execution. To ensure you get the most out of your leg strengthening exercises and minimize the risk of injury, here are some helpful tips for proper execution. Tip number 1. Maintain good posture. Maintaining good posture during leg exercises is essential to prevent unnecessary strain on your joints and promote proper muscle activation. Focus on keeping your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and core engaged throughout the movement. This alignment helps distribute the workload evenly among the muscles involved and ensures efficient movement. By maintaining good posture, you create a solid foundation for your leg exercises, enhancing their effectiveness. Tip number 2. Control the descent for maximum benefit. The eccentric or downward phase of leg exercises, such as squats or lunges, is just as important as the upward phase. Pay close attention to the descent and avoid rushing through it. Lower yourself slowly and deliberately, focusing on engaging your leg muscles throughout the entire movement. This controlled descent increases the time under tension, which is a key factor in muscle growth and strength development. Emphasize the negative portion of the exercise by actively resisting gravity. Tip number 3. Pay attention to knee alignment to prevent strain. Knee alignment plays a crucial role in maintaining joint stability and reducing the risk of strain or injury during leg exercises. When performing movements like squats, lunges, or step-ups, ensure that your knees track in line with your toes. Avoid excessive inward or outward rotation of the knees, as this can place undue stress on the joint and surrounding structures. Keep your knees in alignment with your toes, maintaining a straight line throughout the movement. Tip number 4. Engage the mind-muscle connection. Developing a strong mind-muscle connection during leg exercises can significantly enhance your results. Instead of going through the motions, focus on consciously engaging the specific muscles you are targeting. For example, during a squat, actively think about your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes to initiate and control the movement. Visualize these muscles working and try to feel the contraction and engagement as you perform each repetition. Tip number 5. Prioritize recovery and rest. Allowing adequate rest and recovery is crucial for optimal muscle growth and injury prevention. Include rest days in your training schedule to give your leg muscles time to repair and rebuild. Proper nutrition, hydration, and quality sleep are also essential components of the recovery process. They help provide the necessary fuel and resources for muscle repair and growth. Remember, consistency is key on this leg strengthening journey. Stay motivated, listen to your body, and make gradual progress to achieve your goals. Now, before you go, we have an important message for you. Did you know that there's a hidden factor that can greatly impact your leg transformation progress? It's a little-known secret that holds the key to unlocking even greater results. In our next video, we'll unveil this crucial information and provide you with practical strategies to overcome this challenge. So stay tuned and be sure to subscribe to NATURALdocTV for more health and wellness tips, including natural and homeopathic treatments. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below, and we'll see you next time on NATURALdocTV.